Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to handle 3 essential tasks in Stripe: issuing refunds, managing transactions, and tracking your payouts. First, let's talk about refunds. Go to your Stripe dashboard and click Payments on the left. Find the payment you need to refund and click on it. On the Payment Details page, you'll see a Refund button. Click it, enter the amount, and confirm. The money will be returned to your customer. Next, managing all your transactions is easy in the Payments section. You can see every sale, filter by date, or search for a specific customer. Click on any payment to see detailed information, like the customer's email and the exact fee you were charged. Finally, to see your money, click Balance and then Payouts. This shows all the transfers Stripe has sent to your bank account. Each payout lists the total amount and the specific transactions that were included. And that's it. You now know how to issue refunds, review transactions, and track your earnings. If this helped, please like and subscribe. See you next time.